Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry that I have not recorded. It's just really hard for things. Anyways, I'm gonna give you a tutorial about a new thing. I'm making a new series. It's a home that I made. I'll tour around. So we got some of these. We got axes. You can just chop down all the ones. We got another portal. We got a sugarcane farm. Every color of the rainbow dogs. At this farm. Hey, yeah. And we got a slide. We have one of those, whatever they call it, thingy. I don't know, I just wanted to do it. And inside, we got all our basic stuff, some flowers. Down here, we got valuables, healing potions, name tags, TNT, wood, all the ores of lapis lazuli, all the dyes, flowers, wood, tree saplings, everything you need for that, to tame an animal. Anyways, up here we got uniforms, my sister's place, she got her stuff, same stuff here, up here, we got a little balcony. Anyways, I'm really sorry again that I have not recorded in a while. I'm just really busy with so much school, this, that. Oh my god, it's annoying. Anyways, it's a new series, this is a part of the worst. Anyone who tries to attack will be in prison. Zombie villagers, husks. And down here, we got our kitchen, we got shulker boxes, and guys, the best thing about this is, oh look, it's just gonna yeah, I had to do this in creative because there's no way I'm able to get bedrock. Oh my god. You know how it goes. People saying, oh yeah, you can mine bedrock with a diamond pickaxe. They call it bedrock because it's at the end of the earth. It's the same thing as the mental core, I think. I don't know. But it's exactly like that because you can't mine bedrock because without it, if you could, you'd fall out of there and then boom, you die in outer space. So yeah, I don't know why people think that, but I'm just gonna add a few touches. Anyways, I'm back, and what I had to add was some netherwart stuff, because I'm not done with this, so yeah, and maybe that's why. Anyways, let's go back to the original world. And about that thing when I said you can't mine bedrock. Well, you can't. We're almost here. Oh look, we have redstone. Okay, we're here. Would you look at that? You can mine it while you're there. Now, let's take a diamond pickaxe. Oh, you can mine it in creative because you're in creative. Now, try it a different way. It's not a pickaxe. You can do that. Put that there. Can you mine bedrock? No, you cannot. See, this is why someone who made that. You can mine obsidian with a diamond pickaxe. Maybe the person who thought that was really stupid because you can't mine bedrock. Who would think of that? Who would think, oh yeah, you can mine bedrock. You cannot mine bedrock. Get it through your head, person. You can't. And I'm just gonna get out of bed. My sister's bed. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial about my house. Yes, my house. And I really hope we get some likes. In my last few videos, I did say if we get 100 likes, or 5 because I'm lonely. Okay, I'm lonely people. If we get 5 or 100 likes, then I will change my skin to a very ugly, ugly, ugly skin. Now, I'm thinking, oh, I haven't really got a like, not even 1 like, but I have gotten views, so I'm just gonna go right now and I'm gonna change my skin to an ugly skin. And I'm going to make it fair by taking off this stuff. Now, I'm gonna change my skin. Okay, this is my skin. This is the skin I could choose and it was the most hilarious to me. And, something wrong about it. Can you spot the difference? Oh, look at it. It's a floating head. Yeah. I kind of went like this and look. There's nothing there. So if I turn backwards like this, I can still see my face. It's not the same. It's not a difference. It's so creepy, but it's the most hilarious. So, I don't know if I said this in one of my videos, but I'm going to have it on for 3 whole videos. Well, I'll have it on, and it's going to look really stupid, but I'm doing it for you guys, and I'm lonely, so I just wanted to do it myself. So please, hopefully, we can get likes now, because look how stupid this skin is. I did it for you guys. I did it for you. If I don't get likes, I'm actually lonely. Because I did this for you dudes. And I don't know if I'll ever get likes. Because I'm stupid. Of course, I'm stupid. Now, oh my god, look how I wear Elytra. Boom. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to follow many other channels. Yes. Now, I'm going to do it a real way. And I'm gonna hit myself really hard. Where'd the house go? And this is now. And I'm gonna go really hard. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna fall down to level 6. Now. Oof. Oh my god, look at my hand. Look at my hand. It's so stupid. I am a block. Yay. Anyways, I do hope you subscribe. Actually, I don't think I'm subscribing, but whatever. Also, be sure to know my dad, this is his channel. I just want to make some videos, okay? And plus, he likes making videos and sharing with you guys. If it weren't for Minecraft videos, then I would have never met, I don't know how to pronounce the name, I'll just go on YouTube. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. Sorry. But, so, this dude. Please be sure to go to his channel. Go to that channel, that channel, that channel, every channel that I've got. Dun dun dun, dun dun dun, dun dun dun. Now he has a lot of subscribers, but I have none. So I'm saving 2 creatures, getting pets part 2. Still don't know, playing bubbles with our doggy. The end was meh. A new start, happy life, secrets, I don't know what to call it. Me first time going to the end. View 500 more. Yeah. Getting some pets. Oh, dang it. Whatever. And Minecraft Dragons, sleepover time, for trying healing for the first time, and I got some views. 6 views, 3 views, 1 view, 2 views, 3 views, 1 view, no views, I don't know why, 3 views, no views, and then 4 views. We got more views on this one in the most. But still, we haven't got... I'm terrible at this. I got a like. Okay, bye.